Hare Krishna. What is Dham? Dham is the place where Lord does leelas with his devotees. Lord is present everywhere. Tell a place where Lord is not present. Lord is present everywhere, but his presence is felt in Dham because of his sweet dealings with the devotees. In this way, here, as we are now hearing about the Pandharpur Kshetra, Pandharpur cannot go without Pundalik. That is why in Pandharpur we can hear Pundalika Varda Hari Vithala, Pundalika Varda Hari Vithala. Before even chanting Hari Vithala, Pundalika Varda. That means Lord has specially come to bless Pundalik. Pundalik is a very great devotee and Lord has personally come to meet him. Let us know something about Pundalik. Pundalik was born to Jhanudeva and Satyavati. Both Jhanudeva and Satyavati were very pious-minded Brahmins. But somehow, out of some karmas, they got a son who was very bad in his behavior. They were completely frustrated. Then they decided, let us get him married. At least after marriage, he will improve. But his behavior became more worst. So then they decided, let us leave this house and go to Kashi. So they decided to go to Kashi. And here Pundalik told his wife, let us also go and see what is there in Kashi. So both of them sat on the horse and they saw their parents walking on the road. But he was so cruel in his mind, he did not even get down from the horse. He was just walking ahead. And then when it was night, the parents decided, let us take rest in an ashram. They went to the hermitage of a great saint, Kukut Muni. Pundalik thought, let me also go to the same ashram. Kukut Muni came out of the ashram, met Pundalik. At that time, Pundalik sarcastically asked him, have you seen Kashi? Kukut Muni said, I have never visited Kashi. Pundalik started laughing. Oh, you are such a great saint. You don't know what is Kashi? Kukut Muni kept quiet and just went inside the ashram. At night, here Pundalik saw 3 ugly women entering the ashram. They went inside the ashram, started cleaning the ashram, and after they came out, they were looking very beautiful like goddesses. Then Pundalik asked them, may I know who are you all? They said, I am Ganga. Another said, I am Yamuna. Another said, I am Saraswati. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. 3 of them have come here. Then they told to Pundalik that we are ugly because sinful people like you come and take bath in us and they deposit the sins in us. But when we come to serve the great sage, at that time we again regain our beauty. Hearing this, Pundalik was shocked, and also these words transformed him. He decided that he is going to serve his great devotee parents in his life. So he started serving his parents very nicely. All the village people were also shocked to see the transformation of Pundalik. Pundalik's sincere service to his devotee parents attracted Lord to come to his house. When Lord came, Pundalik was actually massaging the feet of his parents. Then he saw Lord. He told, oh Lord, you have to wait for some time. Then he threw a brick towards Lord and told, please stand on it and let me massage my parents' feet and then I'll come. In this way, Lord was very much happy to see the change of Pundalik. Now, who is this Pundalik? In the Dwapar time, there was a great king known as Muchukund. He used to help the demigods in fighting with the demons. Once the demigods were very much successful with the demons, At that time, they blessed Muchukund. You ask whatever boon you want. Muchukund said, I'm completely tired. I want to take rest. But I don't want anybody to disturb me. I want to sleep. Demigods told, okay, whoever disturbs you will be burnt by your sight. In this way, Muchukund goes inside the cave and sleeps there. Now, in Krishna Leela, there is a demon known as Kalyavan. The Lord was fighting with him. At that time, Lord started running. Kalyavan was chasing Lord. Lord entered the cave and saw Muchukund sleeping and just put his garment on Muchukund and hid behind. Muchukund was sleeping, and here Kalyavan entered and thought Lord is sleeping and kicked Muchukund, thinking that Krishna is sleeping. When Muchukund woke up, he just saw Kalyavan with anger, and Kalyavan was burnt. Lord slowly came from behind, and Muchukund was so happy to see Lord and prayed, O Lord, let me always see you. Let there be no time that you are out of my sight. Lord told, in the next birth, you will appear as Pundalik. At that time, I will always be standing before you. This is how in Pandharpur, Lord fulfills the desire of Pundalik by standing always before him.